Let me show you how you're gonna set a PDF file as your desktop background on your Mac computer. So obviously it's not gonna be the simplest thing ever. I have like the PDF file on the screen like that. It's just a piece of text, and the point is that we cannot really just right click on it and choose it as a wallpaper. So we have to at first convert it to a picture and then set it as the desktop background. So the easiest way to turn the PDF into an image is by turning it into a screenshot or capturing screenshot this way. So you can have the PDF open and on the keyboard press Command Shift and 4 shortcut, and you can select the area you want to have as the image, right? So you capture it like this. And now the screenshot has been saved, right? So it depends on where it gets saved. In many cases, you should be able to find it in your downloads, right? So you can see I have the screenshot in here, like that. And now I can right click on it and choose it as the wallpaper. So as you can see, I can set it as a desktop picture and it's gonna look like this. Not ideal, but we essentially turned the PDF into a picture and we set the wallpaper with it. So that's definitely one option, but of course you can use the official way of doing that. For example, through the Safari, if you go to an internet, you can find PDF to PNG converter, right? And you will have the ability to upload your PDF there and then download it as an image in the full quality and then perform the same thing of choosing it as the, desktop wallpaper. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more. In the meantime, I'm going to actually pick some normal looking wallpaper, but that's it from me. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.